Did I ever think that it was a legitimate possibility to ever give something like Louis Vuitton away? The answer is absolutely no. Even when I was giving Coach away, we were going to the outlets to buy the Coach purses. We couldn't buy up-to-date purses. We didn't have that kind of money. The company didn't have that. But I always had felt that women deserve to carry a luxury brand. And now it makes me so proud to know we were the #1 largest sale in the US for Louis Vuitton. Seeing the girls on stage being so excited, receiving their Louis Vuitton. I'm very proud of this. I'm proud because I think they deserve it. They've earned it. They've worked for it. And why not go to your parties or go out and show it off, because they earned that. So the very first time I ever purchased Louis Vuitton, I was 48 years old. So I had really never, given myself anything maybe past a Coach purse. And only because we used to use that as an incentive. And so that was kind of, I guess, my very first luxury brand. But at 48 years old, I felt like, you know what, I deserve to have something really, really nice. And I made my first purchase. And I remember looking at the box forever and thinking, oh my gosh, should I take it out? Should I really carry it? And it was just, I was really proud that I did it, but it took me until I was 48. What is it like to work with Louis Vuitton? I'm going to tell you what, they're great people. They're really fun to work with. They come up with really unbelievable ideas of what they could place on their purses, how to make it unique for your company. When asking to start this program, the awards program for the consultants, why did I choose Louis Vuitton? I just think that it is a product that is going to be here well after I'm here. It's a proven fact that, we're now into the 5th, 6th generation of Louis Vuitton. It started in the late 1800s. This is a product that is going to be here forever. Just a great product. I mean, why wouldn't you be proud to carry this? And when I'm working with them, they really help me to be able to, look at the levels that the girls are achieving and what they think they should be receiving, making sure that we're on the cutting edge and that our girls are receiving the best products.